it's always this time of season when you just brace yourself for the big expense that you have for the year.
The pandemic has forced millions of people and businesses to the brink. Now, those stimulus checks are supposed to help, but now with tax season looming, everyone has to figure out their personal finances.
25 News reporter Joel Lopez spoke with tax experts. Joel, will these stimulus checks be taxed?
Hey Todd, hey Naya. Long story short, the answer is no. Those stimulus checks weren't a form of income, so you won't be taxed on it. Now, if you're someone that received unemployment, well, that won't be as simple. Tax season can be stressful on a normal year.
It's the part that every business owner dreads because of the number that you have to pay.
Sometimes you get money back, sometimes you owe money. And with all the pandemic benefits Americans received this year,
we don't know how that's going to affect taxes. Like I said, we're just willing to stay educated.
Back in March, $2 trillion in stimulus money went out to help Americans through the pandemic, all of which is not taxable.
Unearned income works a little bit differently, and it loses you some ability to get additional credits on your income tax return or refund.
And for the over 4 million Texans that filed for unemployment, tax prepper Bianca Tagle anticipates a busy tax season.
Every individual case is going to be different for everybody, whether it be a business owner or an individual. You're just going to have to bring all the information you can so we can go through it, and we work on it case by case basis.
If you received unemployment, you should get an IRS Form 1099-G in the mail, which you will need to fill out and turn in with your tax return.
The IRS is definitely going to want you to put everything you earned, whether you earned it individually through a job or you have unearned income via unemployment.
Last year, because the pandemic broke out in the middle of tax season, the government extended the deadline people had to file their taxes. But this year?
So right now, from what we know, tax season will officially end April 15th. But all of that could be to be determined by the government, and if they decide to extend the date, then we'll continue working as they extend the date.
If you're someone that didn't get your stimulus check last year and you're owed one, you can get that money back when you file for your taxes this year. Reporting in Waco, Joel Lopez, 25 News.